the question ever popped up in your mind? What are the basic principles and aspects of my fast? One of the most important aspects of fasting is your niyyah, which means your intention. There is no act of worship without the intention. But how exactly do you make this niyyah? It is not necessary to verbally say the niyyah or to say, I will fast tomorrow. Just having the motive of doing something in your heart is called niyyah. It is sufficient to perform the fast and other acts of worship with the intention of obeying Allah's command. For example, if you are asked, what is your purpose for fasting? You can confidently respond, I am fasting for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In general, you have to make your niyyah before the Fajr Azan. Although, on the first day of Ramadan, you can make your niyyah qurbatan ilallah for all 30 days, so you won't have to make your niyyah every day.